Good morning, students. Once again, we are in the class of physical education. Yesterday, we were dealing with the physical fitness components. Okay, what are the components of physical fitness? Yesterday, we have done what was strength, what was endurance. We have started with speed. So, what was endurance? Endurance was ability of the body to resist fatigue, or ability of the body to do the work under the condition of fatigue or tiredness. So, how many types of endurance were there? We have done short term and long term. When intensity is less and timing is low, timing is less, intensity also maximum, then we go for short term, like for 800 meters and all that. But where the intensity has to be used and time, what to say, time will be used more, we will be consuming more time, then we will go for long term endurance. So what is long term endurance? Long term endurance is required sports activities in which intensity of the force applied is less, but for the longer duration. Intensity applied is less compared to that other event, other races, like they are applying intensity maximum, but for what is important, you are applying intensity less, but for longer duration. You are applying intensity more, but for shorter duration. So short term endurance and long term endurance. Here, intensity is more, intensity is more. Here, intensity is less. Intensity of force applied is less, but what is important? It is for longer duration. Intensity of force applied is less, but it is for longer duration. So we will say that it is long-term endurance. It is long-term endurance. Now comes speed. What was speed? What was speed? Speed. What is speed? Speed is the ability to perform a movement or a continuous series of movements within a short period of time. Within a short, when you are performing any series of movements within a short period of time, then we will say it is we are dealing with speed. So how many types of speed were there? Speed can be categorized into five. That is reaction ability. Now what is reaction? Reaction ability. What is reaction ability? What is reaction ability? Reaction ability, the ability to respond quickly, the ability to respond quickly and correctly to a particular stimuli is needed. It is needed in combative sports. Okay, at once you have to take a decision. At once you have to take a decision. That is known as reaction ability. So, the ability to respond quickly, the ability to respond quickly and correctly to a stimulus, that is known as reaction ability. After it comes acceleration ability. After it comes acceleration ability. What is acceleration ability? The ability to change the ability to change speed from static or low to a maximum speed. That is known as acceleration ability. Acceleration ability. So, what is acceleration? The ability to change the movement from slow to a faster pace. What is the maximum pace? That is known as acceleration ability. Now comes locomotor ability. What is locomotor ability? The ability to maintain maximum speed for maximum distance. In the finishing for 100 meter and 200 meter, what is large acceleration ability? You should be able to run with the full acceleration. You should be able to cover the large. What happens? Few of the athletes get in the last when the race is about to finish about 10, 20, 30 meters, they will get slowed down. But who's a good athlete will start acceleration after 20, 30 meters, and that acceleration pace he will maintain continuously. That is known as acceleration ability. Now comes locomotor ability, the ability to maintain maximum speed from maximum distance. Now the movement ability, the ability of muscle or a group of muscles to contract at a maximum speed. Where, for example, when we go for sprinting starts. what we are sitting on the starting block, and whenever we starting getting on the maximum. Now speed endurance, they will perform motor movements quickly under the condition of fatigue. That is speed endurance. Now comes flexibility. You might have heard the words flexibility. Flexibility. You might have heard. You are doing football, basketball. I have more and more flexibility. Okay, range of motion around the joint. How much you are able to stretch? That is known as, in simple words, how much we are able to stretch. How much range of movement around a particular joint is there. That is known as our flexibility. Okay, we will sit there and we will sit down. For example, try to touch the ground with your hand. If you are not able to, if you are not able to touch the ground with your hand, that means you are having less flexibility. Your body is not agile, your body is not flexible. So, what is flexibility? Flexibility is the ability of an individual's joint to execute a wide range of motion around the joint, but whenever it is more, you will see that the flexibility of an individual is more. Flexibility of an individual is more. Now comes, how many types of flexibilities are there? There are two types of flexibility: passive and active. Whenever you are doing a certain range of motion with the help of others, that is known as passive. But you are not taking help of anyone. You are able to, you are able to maintain, you are able to for that movement, go for that movement alone, by yourself only. That is known as active flexibility. So what is passive? Passive flexibility, the ability to perform a range of movements with the help of an external application. With the help of an external application, okay, suppose we are bending down, but we are taking help of someone else who will make us bend. So that is known as passive. But if we are not taking help of anyone else, so that is known as active flexibility. Now comes to the cognitive abilities. What are cognitive abilities? The ability that enable an individual to do various related activities properly and efficiently. Suppose, for example, the best cognitive ability is what is the position of walking? What is the position of walking? Alternate hand and leg. Alternate hand and leg. Nobody walks with the same hand and leg, right? Now, if you are able to, if you are able to do the work efficiently, and if you are able to, what to say, respond to a particular action, that means you are having good cognitive abilities. How many types of abilities are there? Combinatorial ability, orientation ability, reaction ability, balance, and all that. Now comes these are the components of physical fitness. These were the components of physical fitness. Other important topic of physical fitness is, another important topic of physical fitness in this chapter is balance. So components of physical fitness also, how many components of physical fitness are there? Strength, speed, after it comes flexibility, cognitive abilities, and endurance. So these are the components of physical fitness. Now we are dealing with the components of physical balance. What are they? Physical, emotional, emotional, emotional. Then come nutritional, social, spiritual, and financial. So, what is physical wellness? Physical wellness highlight the physiological aspects of wellness, such as you should have a good immune system. You should have a good immune system. All the organs and the system of your body should work properly. That is known as physiological. That is physical wellness. Now comes emotional wellness. What is emotional wellness? Even if a person is intellectually or physically fit, he or she still not have a fulfilling life without emotional wellness. See, there are some emotions that has to become outside from your body. Yes. For example, when something sad thing happens, you will not want to laugh or smile. Automatically, what you will do? You have to cry. So these are some emotions. You cannot keep the emotion inside you. Otherwise, these emotions lead. If you are keeping those emotions inside you, when you go to the condition, it can lead to stress or depression. if you're not able to execute, if you're not bringing out that emotion inside from outside from your body. So when anxiety, depression, frustration or consume an individual, he should not be able to achieve much. Therefore, it is crucial to address such emotional tension. If you are in, for example, if you are in tension, if you are in depression, what do you do first thing? Generally, in India, what they will do, they will be living within himself only, and he will be living within himself only. He will not tell even to his parents also. But if it is a duty of the parents or the senior brother or the brother sister that okay, if he is a particular individual looking tension, find out what are the reasons. Otherwise, this tension or depression can lead to more complications for an individual. After that comes intellectual wellness. Mental wellness focuses on the intellectual health of an individual. It is just as important for the happiness of an individual as physical health. Okay. Now comes nutritional. What comes under nutrition? You should be able to eat a proper nutritional diet. Now, what is proper nutritional diet? Don't say okay, daily I can eat one pizza, I can eat one burger, and all that. That is nutritional diet. Your diet should consist of proper amount of macro as well as micronutrients. What are macronutrients? What are macronutrients?
So protein, vitamins,
No, vitamins are micro. Macro, what are in simple word, what are macronutrients? The components required in large amount. The components required in large amount in our diet is known as macronutrients. We have three types of macronutrients. First one is proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. And micro comes minerals and vitamins. Minerals and vitamins, which are required in less amount. Which are required in less amount. Most of the fat we should eat in more amount. But these are required in more amount compared to these minerals and vitamins. Now vitamins, how many types of vitamins are there? This is the answer. Even to the class 12 students, I'm asking, this is the answer they are telling me. Vitamin A, after that comes vitamin B, after that comes vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. This is the wrong answer. Only two types of vitamins are fat soluble, water soluble. So now in that class 12 also they have latest CBC book, they have added as a in the macronutrients, they have added water also. They have added water also. That water. Water is not giving any energy in order, but it is requiring more amount in our body. So they have added water also. So now four has come as a macronutrients, fats, proteins, carbohydrates, and water. If you write water, you will get marks. If you don't write water, class 12, then also you will get marks. Not a big issue. Now social awareness. What is it? You are generally what we say, human being is a we are a social human being, right? Now we have to follow the rules and regulations made by the society. ये तो नहीं होता ना कि ओके अपन दिन में सोते हो दिन में अपन सोते हो रात को अपन काम करते हो ओके ये कॉल सेंटर दे आर समथिंग और अदर थिंग्स बट वी हैव टू फॉलो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस मेड बाय द सोसाइटी नहीं इन रात 12 बजे चलो म्यूजिक ऑन म्यूजिक सिस्टम ऑन एंड वी डांस एंड ऑल दैट मींस their society is really in a flat and all that they will only kick you out from that society you are not expected to live in this society so you should follow the norms and regulations made by the society. So after that, a healthy engagement with the one's social surrounding is also a key component of wellness. Now comes financial wellness. Financial shortage results in the loss of mental peace. You are right, shortage of finance. But who is having more money? He is also living in tension only. How to earn more and more. Because he is also having same amount of food what you are eating. He can spend more compared to what we are spending. So, the best way to live peacefully and happily is through effective management of finances. Okay, how much I should save for emergency? Suppose tomorrow some emergency comes. Suppose tomorrow someone has to be hospitalized and all that. Right? See what will happen. Nobody can tell. What will happen next moment? Nobody can tell. So there should be some saving in our accounts also. There should be some saving. What to say for future also. Something happen tomorrow, we are having some money Okay, it can be used at once only. In future, whenever the child or whenever the daughter or son will be married for his studies, for her studies, everything has to be maintained. Okay, we are having enough money that we can live peacefully. Now, components of health related fitness. Components of health related fitness. Those are physical fitness. These are health related fitness. Cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength. After that comes muscular endurance, body composition, and flexibility. Okay. Now, what is cardiovascular endurance? Refers to our physical ability to undergo aerobic exercise. What is aerobic exercises? There are two types of exercises are there. Aerobic and anaerobic. नहीं simple aerobic and anaerobic. ठीक है? Aerobic करते ना पर देखा है? Aerobic सुना है ना aerobics को? But there are two types of activities. Aerobic and aerobic. Now इसका simple term पढ़ता हूँ. Simple. बाकी तो कॉम्प्लिकेशन बाहर का है. क्या होता है? ये तो सही है. यू आर राइट. रनिंग होती है, जॉगिंग होती है, सब कुछ होता है. सपोज 100 मीटर है. वी आर रनिंग 100 मीटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी आर रनिंग 100 मीटर. सो इट विल बी कॉल्ड एरोबिक एक्टिविटी और एनारोबिक एक्टिविटी. व्हाई? एरोबिक में इंटेंस होता है. Wherever you are requiring for any doing of any particular work, you are requiring less amount of oxygen. ठीक है. Intensity the one of the air consumed or you can say here an individual requires less amount of oxygen for performing the duty for performing a work. That is anaerobic. 100 meter होना चाहिए. Hardly for 10 seconds. Hardly. Now recording of 9. I think 9.56, 9.57 volt है ना? इतना रिकॉर्ड है 9.58. 10 seconds. देखा जाए he must have stopped the. Today I will tell you okay, do pranayam and all that. For this you have to stop the breath for 10 seconds. Actually this time when the clipping was coming, okay. For corona test, if you can hold your breath for something 10 seconds, 20 seconds, that means the corona will. It was coming. So 10 seconds you can hold your breath. So where the amount of oxygen required is less, then we will say that particular activity is anaerobic activity. Whether oxygen amount we require more, that is aerobic. Generally, whenever the people are doing aerobics, जो fitness centers होता है, they are not doing for 5 to 10 minutes. They are not doing for 5 to 10 minutes. It is a long activity. It is a long activity. So aerobic and anaerobic. Okay, dear students. Okay, remain. We will talk tomorrow.